Okay, today we will see sway analysis. Sway analysis in moment distribution method. Okay, sway analysis in moment distribution method. So, how we can solve? How we will solve? Okay, first problem we will see only sway moments are there. Only sway moments are there. So later general moments without sway and sway moments both we will see. Okay, so first problem we will took it very simple. Eighteen kilonewtons. Just a sway. It is happening sway. Is it okay? Is it sway? Is it experience sway? Yes, it is experience sway. You already know it. Which which type of loading or which type of structure experiences sway. We already discussed in slope deflection method. So no need to discuss again why is sway happening like this. Okay. See, it's a 4 meters, and 6 meters. Okay, nothing is there. Just it. So okay, just we'll see how sway moments are calculated. Sway moments are calculated. Take A, B, C, D. Okay, see how we will consider the problem. We already know it. MAB, BA, BC, CB, CD, DC all are equal to 0. Fixed end moments are 0. Okay, so how it is sway is occur? How sway will occur? You already know it. Sway will occur like it will go like this. Otherwise, if you see, it will consider like this and it will come. So in reality, how it is experienced is it will go like this. It will maintain 90 here. Okay, so you already know it. It experiences some deflection. Same deflection, both are same because there is no axial deformation. So exactly delta is equal delta. There is no axial deformation in the BCB. Okay, so now we will see how to consider, how to calculate, how to evaluate the sway moments. Okay, once you can see it is, you already know, just to take it as AB. Just to take it as AB. You can already understand that this is direction. In this direction, moments will happening. Okay, what is that moment? 6A delta by L square. That's it. Sway moments are occurring. So occurred. And also if you taken CD also if you taken like CD also same. Okay, so what is delta? We don't know delta. Delta is no, we don't know. So okay, cite it just to see it. First we have to take in distribution factors. How many giants are there? B and C are there. So B, take a B. Take B giant. So what is the distribution factors? BA slope is what? For BA is taken 4EI by L. 4EI by L is what? 4. That's EI. BC is what? 4EI by L. It's again 4. Okay. it's again 4, so total is 2EI. So distribution factor for BA is what? 0.5 or 1 by 2, anything. Okay, so BC is same, 1 by 2. Of EA, so of, so same as second giant C, second giant C. BC again it's a 4EA by 4 EA. So C na, you have to write like CB, not a BC. That's a good idea. CB. CD 4EA by, because see it is A and D are fixed giants. 4EA by length is what? Length is 6 meters. So length is 6 meters. So length is 6 meters. What is it? Is what? So 2 by 3. 2 by 3 na? 2 by 3. It's 1. Total is what? 5 by 3. Total is what? 5 by 3. That's it na? So 4 by 6, 2 by 3, 3 plus 5 by 3. That's it. That's it. So what is the distribution factor for CB? So 1 divided by 5 by 3, it's a 3 by 5. It's a 3 by 5, and CD is 2 by 5. That's it na? Total is 1. Everything is 1. Distribute between, it's a 20%, it's 30%, it's a 40%, 60%. 60%, 40%. We will distribute 60% to CB, 40% to CD. That's it na? That's it. So okay, no problem. So now you can see it is, these are the sway moments arised in AB and DC. Okay, there is no sway moments arised in BC, because BC is a axial member, not an axial member. There is no support settlements in the BC. Those are the B and C supports are there in the same plane, same elevation. There is no support settlements in the BCB. Okay, so we have to take it. So how can you take it? So we have to take that. It's a B. B is what? Off. It's a CD. CD is what? CB is 3 by 5. It's a 2 by 5. It's a D. It's a A. So okay. Okay. So we have to write down the moments. Later we have to distribute it. Na? Later we have to distribute it. Sir, we don't know the moment. So we have to get the moment. We require delta. But we don't know delta. So how can we solve it? How can we solve it? So we have to solve like, see, we have to solve like, just taken delta is some anything. Just assume it. Not required to assume it also. Just take any value also. So see it is, see one thing is support settlements. See support settlements, AB has a moment of, what is that moment? 6EI delta by L square. L square na? So minus BA is same 6EI delta by L square. See, anti-clockwise na? Anti-clockwise. So what is L? L is, we don't know. We know 4 meters. So take it. L is a 4 meters. 16. It's a 16. Take it. Delta we don't know. Wait. So now C CD is what? 6EI delta by L square again. DC 6EI by delta by L square minus anti-clockwise na? Anti-clockwise. What is L? L we know it. What is 6 meters? Go to 36. Go to 36. Taken delta is anything. Delta EI value taken anything. Later we will adjust it. How can we adjust? Later we'll see. So we don't know delta. We don't know the support settlement value. How much settlements? We can assume something. So take one value. One thing. One. Take one. Just total value is just assume it 1 or 1 unit. No problem at all. So how can you do? So its value is minus 6 by 16. Its value is minus 6 by 16. Its value is minus 6 by 36. This value is minus 6 by 36. We just assume it 1. So later we will adjust it. How can we adjust? We will see it. Sir, if you taken like this, it distributing we will get some disturbance. ఎలాగూ మనం అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి we will assume like, how can we assume like, we will assume some fixed values that will adjust, that will give a easy. So how can means, see, the same, how can adjust is this, see, you have to take like this. You have to take like this. See, how can you take like this? Is just 16. 16 is there. So you had taken as a multiples of 16. Your choice. No need at all. You assume any value. EIW value is anything for your consideration, not for your choice. So I will assume like, how can I assume it? So I can take it, see, EI value 96. I will took it's 96. So how I took it, I will say later, I explain. 96 I will took assume as a EIW is 96. So how can it's 16 6 it's going to 90 36, it's a 36. Same EIW na, this W, this delta same. So once you assume both sides same, so here also 96 I assume. So 96, if you take a 96, what is the value? 96, what is that value? 96, no, 1 minute, wait 96 divided by 36, how much it is value? 96 divided by 36 value is 2.6, multiply with 6, it's 16. So now it comes to okay, I will write 16, it's a 16. Okay, so it comes to a 36, it comes to a 16. So what I did, so I did see, if you get a good value like 16 36, the distribution is easy. So how can I get 36, sir? How can you assume exactly 96? So I didn't take 96. So what I did, see, once again I will adjust it. So first AB column has 19 by 16, so 6A delta by 16. So AB span, for CD span it's a 36 na? So 36, these are the ratio of 1 by 16 and 1 by 36. Are understood? These are the ratio of 1 by 16, 1 by 36. That's it na? So what is that value? This value is 36, this value is 16. Understood? So no need to assume any value. Sir, what is this purpose? Sir? This purpose is, you have to get one integral value, not a rational value, 2 point something or 1 by 16. You can assume anything, but in the same ratio. Why it is in the same ratio? Because this EA delta is same. So you have to take EA delta value is anything. Not required to particular value, but your choice. My choice is to getting the integer value. So like this is the integer value. For that, if you get the integer value, the distribution is somewhat easy. So that's why I don't take any EA value. EA delta value, no need required, certain value. So this and this are in the ratio of 1 by 16, 1 by 36. That's why its value is 36, this value is 16. That's it, na? Equilibrium. So reciprocal. So that's why I say it's 96, like I said 96. This means what? I took the value of EAW is 96, but you don't need to consider any 96. just in the ratio, this AB value, this BC's value, in the ratio of 1 by 16, 1 by 36, we have to maintain, because EAW is both in the same EAW, delta is same. So that's why I took 36, 16. So these are the values, not exact values, because if you get the delta value, then only you can get the exact moments. We will took some rational value. See, is in the ratio, 36 in 16. Otherwise, if you taken 4 na, 4, 9 and 4, you can take 9, 4 also. You can take 9, 4 also. Nothing, anything, any value, I don't care. You can just choose one EAW value, and you will start. So what is the exact value of that moments are, we will see later how to adjust. It's okay. So you can choose any value, like I said, 13 is to 16 or 9 by 4, anything, I don't care, or you don't care. So now I took 36, 16. Okay, 36, 16. So I will write it. So this is value is minus 36, minus 36. Already know 6a by delta by 16 is this value. 36, 36. These values are 16, 16. These values are 16, 16. That's it, na? That's it. These are all not exact values. Once again said, these are in the sum. Assume EA delta value. Okay. So my purpose to get this 36 and 16 is, since I'm getting integer value. So you can get anything. You can write, you can choose from 9 to 4 also. No problem at all. Okay. Otherwise you can choose 2.25 and 1. But in the ratio of same ratio, because if you get like, if you assume any EAW value, you will get the same, because this EAW is same now. So you have to assume EAW value one thing. So you place like in this, you place in this, you will get in the ratio. You will get in the ratio only. So okay, that's it. First thing. So I start with. So these are the moments. But once you got the moments, you have to distribute, because these are the fixed moments. These are the fixed moments. But B and C has a rotation. Is there. So if it is, once it is rotated, the moments get altered or distributed. How it is distributed? Based on the distribution factors. So we have to distribute it. So we will see it is how it is distributed. It's a B, it's a C. It's a B and C. So compulsory BA and BC should be equal to 0. That is a giant equilibrium equation. So we will distribute like this. So see, start with distribution. So very easy, simple. Just see it is. It's a plus 36, minus 36 is there. So you have to apply. It's undistributed moment now. Minus 36 is there. So we have to adjust it. So you have to apply minus 36, plus 36. If you apply a plus 36, how can you distribute it between B and BC? Off. So it's a plus 18, it's a plus 18. So now we can see it's plus 18, it's plus 18. Settled? Settled. So here also you have to apply plus 16. So how can you distribute plus 16? 16 multiply with 3 by 5. So it's 9.6. It's 9.6. 16 minus 9.6 is 4.6. 4.4. So now you can see this value 9.6, this value also 9.6. That's it, na? This is one time iteration, and before the one time iteration you have to get it. See, carryover moment is will get plus 9. It's just 3.2. Carryover moments, and also carryover moments you have to see it as is plus 18. You have to you applied at this end, so carryover moment goes to this, because near is a fixed. Support intermediate giant behave as a fixed giant. So how it is? It's a plus 9 is as goes to plus 9.6 divided by 2. It's a 4.8. 4.8 na? So these are the carryover moments. So first iteration is over. So not over. So if you take it, this is the first step. This is the first iteration. So this is the first iteration, sir. So carryover moments are these 4 are carryover moments. Why you cut it like this? I said previously. So if you really thinking, it is the first cut. It is the first cut. Just adjusted the joints, but at the end you have to adjust it to at the ends. No need to in between. No need to in between in general, because end is very easy and their end type na will get some highest value, some considerable value. In really taking, this is the first step, first iteration. Once you divide the carry over moments, that's also again, so that's you will get again, see, that's again unbalanced moments will come. Unbalanced moments will come. Okay, so because see it is, so because these are the unbalanced moments, these are the not unbalanced, these are the end side na? These are the end side, there is no unbalanced, because it's a fixed end moments. That's exactly, that is the moment, there is no balancing at the end joints. So that's why when you stop these moment distributions, you just give the carry over moments to the ends. In between you just ignore it, because if you give the carry over moments in between, they again give the unbalanced. This is a 4.8 is unbalanced at B, this is 9 is unbalanced at B, C. So that's why. Okay, so that's it, this is the first. Okay, so again it will come, it is unbalanced moment. 4 point is unbalanced again. So how it is as, you have to adjust minus 4.8. So minus 4.8 na? So see, it's a minus 2.4, it's a minus 2.4. That's it na? So again it goes to, it's minus 9. Minus 9 means 4.5, it's 4.5. Okay, that's it. Again it's come like this. So if you second carry over moments, 1.2, it's 2.25 minus. Okay, 2.25. So okay, so 2.25 it come na, it's come 2.25. Sorry, one thing you could missed it, because it's a distribution factor is not a 0.5. So distribution factor is what, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So 9 multiply with 3 divided by 5, it's a 5.4. Okay, it's a 5.4, and remaining is what, 9 minus 5.4, it's a 3.6. 3.6. So you should be careful. Okay, careful. So regarding the distribution factors, so 3.6, its carry over moment is 1.8. Okay, that's it. And if you see, again this carry over moment will come. What is that? 1.2, it's what, 5.4 divided by 2, it's 2.7. 2.7. So again it's a unbalanced moment. So we will distribute it. So one thing you can see it is, if you assume this number is very large, you have to do more iterations. Otherwise, if you took that value is somewhat less value, you can reduce it by three iterations. By maximum 3 iterations you can stop it. So that's why you have to choose this value basically as possible as lows are low. That's why we had, why don't you consider 9 and 4? If 9 and 4 taken one iteration, just took one iterations, we left out the so much values for some 2.4 for something, we have to left it. That's we will get, that will alter or disturb the our problem. How can it alter? We will see it. Is C. So again see, we will stop it by third iterations. Okay, see, again 2.4 is a 2.7 is undistributed moment, so we have to apply positive. Again 1.2, it's 1.2 multiply with 3 divided by 5, it's a 0.72. so this value is 1.2 minus 1, it's 0.48. Okay, again, so again this carry over moment will come 1.35 divided by 2, so 0.675, it's 0.24. Okay, so again, so one iteration, 2 iterations, we have to stop it at the third iterations. Okay, So this carryover moment goes to, what is that, 1.35 divided by 2, 0.675, this 0.36. Okay, 0.36. That's it, na? 0.36. Just one iteration, we have to stop it. So 0.36 is again unbalanced moment. So minus 0.18 minus 0.18 off. So here 0.675 multiply with 3 divided by 5. It's a 0.405. 0.675 minus answer, it's 0.27. So we will stop here because it comes to the 0.1. 0.1, it's okay, no need to do more iterations. So at the end you have to take care the end moments, no need to in between. Okay, so what is that? 0.09. this value 0.135. no need to do in between, because if you write down the in between, it gives the unbalanced. So you have to settle exactly these two values are equal. So if you give this value and this value, these are all not equal. Okay, so just give the end moments and end carryover moments, you just avoid in between. Okay, so that's it. You have to stop here and submit. See, 36 minus 36 plus 9 minus 1.2 plus 0.675 minus 0.09, 27 point minus 27.615. That's it. So this value is, so you have to submit again, minus 36 plus 18 minus 2.4 plus 1.35 minus 0.18 minus 19.23. no need to calculate here, it will come as 9 plus 20.3. that is the equilibrium of joint. So again C joint, you have to take it one side. So minus 16 plus 6.4 minus 3.6 plus 0.45, not a 45, it's a 48, minus 0.27, it's a 12.99. Okay, minus 12.99, it's a 12.99. so both are equal. So what is this end? This end, if you see, minus 16 plus 3.2 minus 1.8 plus 0.24 minus 0.135. So 14 point minus 14.495. So these are all altered because these lengths are distribution factors are say different, na? That's why. So once you got it, these are the moments, but these are the not exact moments. Why sir? Why sir? Because these values are not an exact fixed moments. These are the just assumed moments. These we are just assumed. Not an exact. So how can we get the exact moments? How we get the exact moments? We don't know the delta. That's why we assume something delta. We assume certain delta. That's why we get this moment. So how can we get the exact moments? That is a question. So how we will get? We need extra equilibrium equation. So what is the extra equilibrium equation? That extra equilibrium equation is, see, total, see, HA, this HD. Compulsory horizontal reactions are developed, na? This HA, this HD. So you have to take care HA plus HD plus 18 should be equal to 0. You have to maintain, na? You have to maintain HA plus HD plus 18 equal to 0. So we have to write down what is HA and HD. We already write down in the previous. See, this is A, this is B. So what is A? A moment is C, 27.615 anti-clockwise. 27.615. So this is again anti-clockwise. What is that? 19.23. So we write down, we taken as a HA is like this. That's it, na? This is HA. Length is 4 meters. Length is 4 meters now, 4 meters. So that's it. This is HA. So write down HA. Write down HA. So HA is what? See HA multiply with 4 plus 27.615 plus 19.23 should be equal to 0. So what is HA? HA is minus of 27.615 19.23 divided by 4. What is that value? Just calculate it. Same in the picture. CD. So this is D, this is C. So what is that D value? Moment is 14.495 anti-clockwise. It's also 12 anti-clockwise, 12.99. Length is 6 meters. So what is H? So HD, this is HD. So if taken as this is HA, this is HD. Equilibrium equation. So free body diagrams, you have to write it. Okay, see it's just, what is HD? Again the same, no need to require again 14.495 12.99 divided by 6. What is that values? Tell me this value. 27 point, so 11.7. This is 11.7. This is what 12.99 plus 14.495 answer divided by 6. It's a 4.58. Okay, 4.58. So okay, this is HA, this is HD. Now you can see HA plus HD plus 50. What is that value? 18. 18 should be 0. It have to maintain 0. This is the condition. Now see, what is HA plus HD? What is HA plus HD? 4 plus 4.58. What is that value? It's a 16.28 only. 16.2 and loti. So sorry, it's minus values. Minus 16. Minus 16.28 only. That means what? That means what? So this HA plus HD only gives 16.28. Because why it is not matching? Because these moments are just, we assumed something delta. We assumed, not an exact. So what is delta exactly? We assumed something delta, that's why we give some HA plus HD value is 16.28 only. So reality, how much you have to give? HA plus HD should be given. HA plus HD should be minus 18. This is right. This is not. So that means what? So that means these moments are not an exactly for these moments are not an exactly for 18 sway force. These moments for only 16.28 kilonewtons per only. These moments developed by the force of 16.28, not in 18. Because we don't know delta, so that's why we assume some delta, we get some moments. Based on that moments, we calculated what is the sway force in the frame. What is the sway force in the beam? Based on these moments, we will get only 16.28. But we required the moments for the sway force of 18. Okay, are understood my intention? So that is exactly the sway forces. The sway force is is equal to 18, not in a 16.28. So we get the moments for the 18, not in a 16.28. Okay, not a 16.8. So what we will do? So now we can write down one line. These moments for a sway force of 16.28 kilonewtons only, not 18 kilonewtons. Are understood? So these moments for 16.28, for 18 kilonewtons, how much the moments? So how can we get it? So no need to fear out. These will follow the algorithm. See, not an algorithm. These will follow the 1 degree of freedom. So how can you say 1 degree follows, sir? So see, these are all just adding. There is no square terms. There is no square terms, na? There is no square terms. So we can say it is 1 degree. 1 degree. 1 degree increase or decrease. This will follow 1 degree slope. So we can directly this for 16. How it is 18? This is for 16. For 18 how much it is? We can easily calculate it, because for see, for 1 rupee, 10 coins you get it. For 2 rupees, it's a 20 rupees, 20 coins you will get. Algorithm, just 1 degree follow. There is no square terms at all. Okay, so how can, so see it is. So now I can write it like very easy. So previous, otherwise 16.428. What is the moments will get? What the moments you got it? So I write it like minus 27 point, what is that value? 27.615 minus 19.23 plus 19.23. So 12.99, plus or minus? Plus 12.99 minus 12.99. So last one is 14.49. So these are the moments M small ab, MAP, MBA, MBC, MCP, MCD, MDC. Only for 16.28. For how? For 18 kilonewtons wave force, how much it is? Just multiply, just multiply this value multiply with 18 divided by 16.2 will get. For 18 how much it is? 18. For 16 this much. For 18 how much? Just algorithm, see, arithmetic increase. 1 degree increase, not a 2 degrees. So why it is now 1 degree? See, everything has only plus or minus. There is no square terms at all. So how can? So what is this factor? What is this factor is called? This factor is called sway correction factor. Sway correction factor. You can call it as a sway correction factor. This value is what? How much it is? How much it is? 18 divided by 16.28 is 1.105. So sway correction factor is 1.105. Is this? This is for 16.28. For 18 how much it is? So calculate it. Can I write down? So what is that value? Everything value? It's a minus 30.515. So what is this value? This value is minus 21.26. Again it's a 21.26. This value is 14.35. 14.35. It's a 14.35. This value is so 16.016. That's it. These are the exact moments. These are the exact moments. Understood? That's it. That's it. That's the story. Got it? Got the idea? That's it. So now you can draw bending moment diagram. Everything. So if you draw bending moment diagram, no need to explain again and again bending moment diagrams. So if you write down the bending moment diagram, so minus C, minus, and again minus. So again minus, so it will come like this. So this is plus. So see, this what? Minus, minus, this is plus. Plus it will go down. Sorry. So plus, okay, plus. Plus is a sagging moment. So plus, it will go plus. So now we can write this value. It will go like this. Okay, that's it now. It is a 30. It's a 21.26. It's a 21.26. It's also 21.26. It's a 14.35. It's a 14.35. It's a 16.016. So now also you can write down the shear force diagram also. If you write down the shear force diagram, it will come like shear force. The shear force is same because you see shear force is what? So these are the moments. These are the exact moments. Na? These are the exact moments. You can calculate the shear force. What is HA? HA force. Real force is what? This is not a real. So you can find out the real HA. What is real HA? Just add it. 30. So no, same formula. 30.515 plus 21.26 divided by 4. So it is 12.94. So you can get it as HA is 12.94. HB, HD is remaining. 18 minus answer, it will get 5.05. So these are the real HA, HD. Get it? So you can write down HA. It's a 5.2. It's a 12 point. There is no changing. So this will come like this. And what is the shear force in the BC? So see, it's a 12, 21. It's a 14 point. So 21 is anti-clock. So 21 is positive. Positive means 21. So it's a 14. It's again positive. It's again positive. It will moment will come. It's rotate like this. Shear force will come like this. Okay. Shear force. What is the exactly shear force? It's again same thing. You have to place add both are 21.26 plus 14.35. Answer divided by length is 4. So 8.4. 8.9. So you write 9, 8.90. So it will come like 8.90. Okay. So this is 5.05. This is 12.94. It's 18. Just free body diagrams. We write down so many free body diagrams. No need to waste of our time. Write down the free body diagrams. See, this is okay. You can get it shear force like this. So that's why moment diagram is like same rectangular. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's the one question. So I want to solve another 1, 2, 3 questions also. But it's take at least see 1 hour is taking. At least half an hour if you maintain the time. If you maintain at least half an hour, I will write down another problem. But okay, tomorrow. So Monday or Tuesday we will solve at least 2 problems. It's okay. At the time I don't want to explain once again. Explain why it is this. We have to be careful. Okay. I explain like this is why it is in some ratio. Okay, because EIW is here and here same EIW. So if you taken any value, I don't care at all. You taken 1, 2, 3, 10, anything. Just take EIW value, certain value, but no need to taken because just is in the ratio. We require is in the ratio. That's why just directly getting 36 and 16 is in the ratio. These values are in the ratio of 36 and 16. So directly I taken 36 into 16. But if you want to take it anything, it's taken 9, 4, anything you can take it, no problem. So because if you take just do one problem, I think two it's 9 and 4. Just do the problem and you will get some moments. That moments are somewhere, somewhat, some other moments will get. So based on that you will check whether the equilibrium equation is satisfied or not. So what is the equilibrium equation? HA plus HT should be equal to minus 18. So okay. So check it. If you can't catch the compulsory, you didn't get it exactly, it's not an equal to 18 because the moments you took are just an imaginary value, not an imaginary, some proportionality value, not an exact value. So how much it is changing, how much it is difference is there. So you will get it. So you will get the sway correction factor. Based on that what you get, based on that what you assumed, based on that what you take it, you will get sway correction factor. Once you got the sway correction factor, you will get exact values of same these values, you will get it. Okay, because this equilibrium equation, this is should be satisfied. So understood how we do the sway problems in the moment distribution method? Got the clarity? Okay. Okay, I don't want to do another problem because it's take too much time. Next class we will solve at least two problems, then we can end of this slope deflection and moment distribution. So okay, see, 9 classes are there. At least next class we will close the moment distribution and slope deflection method. Later we will enter in the influence lines. That is also some good idea. Okay, that's it. If you have any